This channel does not promote or promotion any illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant only for educational purpose only.
I'm Brandon Miller, Stagia Daddy.
I'm Ian Lambert, Honor.BK2, to do burnouts at local meets, to go sliding around corners, crashing into curbs, potentially hurting people. That's not what we're about, and we're here to let you know that's not what we like, that's not what we want.
There's a time and a place for everything. Like events like Tuner Bash is coming up this weekend. That's a way better place, and they have competitions for it. So if you want to actually do that stuff, do it, enter it. You can win money doing it, but don't do it on public roads.
I'm so sorry. I almost fucking ran over. Holy shit! Are you okay? Oh, I'm good. Holy fuck! That scared the shit out of me! Oh my god! Holy fuck!
That diffuser is money. That diffuser is crazy, yo. You're at the fake hero booth. That's awesome, man. I'll get it next time. That is so nice, man. Yo, Colton, what is this? VRZ? Oh my gosh. We got Ferrari. R8? Yes, sir. Colton, peep the R8. That is so sexy. Got a nice skyline right here. 3 skylines in a row. That is nuts. Nice. That is a beautiful looking car. Shout out to CarMeetsYeg for hosting this event. A bunch of nice cars popped out. Things are sexy. All 3. Luminous tints and Dizzy Mob booth. And then we got the Ghost Gang over there. Something about this wrap. wide body G. This thing is will you? Look how sexy that thing is. The Z. Beautiful. This is a beautiful looking Z. Probably the best looking Z. All-wheel drive. At first I thought that this was a Maserati from the distance because of that fitment is insane. This guy has to be on bags, right? That is a nice. Vehicle over here. I believe it's in yeah, we got a Viper Lotus. Damn. Subi. That is nice GTR LS300. These wheels, gold. Damn, that engine bay is sexy. That is crazy. So guys, I saw this car on the road and I thought it was a Lexus, or I thought it was, oh, and then there's a beautiful, Colton, this is the color I was talking about. That is a beautiful color. Nice. GT3 RS, dream car right here. That thing is sexy. There's GTR. We got Skyline number 1.